Hello, this is Wesley Dotson with Central Kentucky Classic Cars. Today we have a 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS 350, numbers matching, factory air, power steering, power disc brakes. This car has a ton of options that it came out with the factory. Also have the factory order slip and the Protecto plate to go with this car that I will show you after. Really nice car. We're going to take a look at it today. Hard to find a car like this. Take a look at the passenger side interior. Now you may be noticing that it has 4 seat belts in the front, which is a rare thing because it does have shoulder harnesses on both sides. I'll show you the passenger side when we get to the driver's side. This car also has a rear defroster, which is kind of rare for these cars. A lot of people didn't order a rear defroster. Pretty neat. There's the factory air vents, bucket seats, console. Just really nice car. Take a look inside of the trunk here. Get the key. All the trunk is in nice and really nice shape. There's the factory rear defroster. Now we're going to shut the trunk and he's going to start it up for us. There's the passenger side shoulder harness. There's how you turn on the defroster. Console, radio, factory air, the clock. Now we're going to take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, this is a numbers matching 350 factory air, power steering, power disc brake car. Shut the hood. Take one more quick look at it, and then we're going to take her on a test drive. If you could, please like and subscribe on our page. It helps us out a bunch. Now we're going to take her for a ride. Take a look at the passenger side one more time. Like I said, this is Central Kentucky Classic Cars. Going to take her on a test drive. Like and subscribe on the page. Thank you. Now we're going to take her on a test drive. This is the 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Taking her for a test drive. We got Greg Dotson driving us today. He's going to take her out. We'll see how she does. Heavy traffic today in Paris, Kentucky, but it's never stopped us before. Steering wheel drives straight, no shakes in the tires. Does really good. See if we can get the air on. There we go. If you can hear the factory air kicking on. going to do a little U-turn here and head back to the dealership. Stop's good. Doesn't pull to the right or the left when you stop. Turn signals work in the dash. See if we can beat the traffic here. Back to the dealership here. When we get back, I'll show you the underneath video. Like I said, if you could always like and subscribe on our page, helps us out a ton, and that way we can get some more cool videos of muscle cars just like these. All right, this will conclude our test drive. Now we're going to show you underneath the car.